What's up, tech enthusiasts? Today I have something special to talk to you about. It's not every day that two giants like MSI and Mercedes-AMG Motorsport come together to create a laptop, and they've done just that. They've created this luxurious and powerful machine right here, the Stealth 16 Mercedes-AMG. We're going to dive deep into why this laptop stands out and what makes it super unique. So let's get started. Alright guys, my favorite part of any review video is the unboxing, so let's get this started. Oh yeah, this is nice so far. Wow, look at this. Ladies and gentlemen, that's how you display a brand new laptop. I love this. You got a lot of information about the collaboration between MSI and Mercedes-AMG Motorsport. You have some details about the laptop on the other side. Of course, the partnership, the official partner right here. Let's take out the beautiful, beautiful laptop here. I'm going to put the box away for now, and we're going to get back to it because there are a lot of things inside that I want to talk to you guys about. Slide it over. The first thing, straight up out of the box, you're noticing that this is a modern, sleek design, and I love that. And you can really see that AMG Motorsport is super aesthetically inspiring this laptop's overall aesthetic. And I love that because I love being in Mercedes cars. So let's talk about some of these details here that we're seeing. Now the laptop boasts an all-metal chassis made with special magnesium aluminum alloy, which is 30% lighter than traditional aluminum alloy. This is also great because if you're someone who doesn't like fingerprints, like myself, when you use magnesium alloy, you have less fingerprint resistance than if you were to use typical aluminum alloy. And that's always nice because you can always keep your laptop looking fresh and clean. If you look at the laptop right away, you'll notice that there's a distinctive Mercedes-AMG co-branded logo proudly displayed, signifying the collaboration between these two iconic brands. And you see that logo here, and there's also a logo at the very back of the laptop. Now let's open up this baby and see what's on the inside. As you guys can see, there are plenty of unique details to take into consideration right away. The laptop features a unique AMG logo thermal inlet, ensuring efficient cooling while also adding a touch of AMG style. And definitely the keypad is no exception to this luxury, as you guys can tell. It showcases unique AMG rhombuses pattern on the space bar, creating a really eye-catching visual experience. And that's not all. The power button is homage to the engine ignition of a high-performance Mercedes-AMG vehicle. It's not just a power button, it's a start button for a high-speed computing experience. And last but not least, the AMG logo is another nod to the collaboration, discreetly etched into the laptop's sleek design. It's these little details that make this laptop super unique. You can also see the rhombus detail by the camera. And the cool thing is when you close the camera, it displays this really nice red square. And I see those details also when I'm in the Mercedes-AMG. This is one thing I'm really appreciating about this is like, it's so cohesive, the design, that it makes you feel like you're actually in the vehicle. And they've done a really good job in pulling a lot of those aesthetics into this design as well. So you can really tell right off the bat, just on the exterior level and some of the details inside, that this is perfectly suited for a luxury gaming experience or working experience, which is what I would use it for. Moving forward, let's talk about this amazing display right here. The laptop comes with a stunning 16-inch OLED screen. It's not just any screen, it's an OLED display that covers 100% of the DCI P3 color gamut. With a UHD plus resolution of 3840 by 2400 and a 16 by 10 aspect ratio, the display is modernized marvel to look at. Whether you're watching movies, you're editing some photos and content, or you're gaming, this display is the perfect way to really take advantage of that. Now moving forward, we got to talk about performance. Of course, this is a Mercedes-AMG collaboration. What would it be without some strong performance? So let's talk about some of these details. Under the hood, the MSI Mercedes-AMG laptop is a speedy beast. It's powered by the 13th gen Intel Core i9 processor. And let's talk about some of these graphics because of course that's super important as well. The laptop itself, you can get it up to an RTX 4070 GPU. This is amazing. I mean, if you're in the world of looking at a powerful system, this is where you're going to find it. So whether you're a professional gamer or a professional content creator, this laptop is super suited for anyone that really is tackling some strong and heavy content. And if you're a gamer, you're going to be enjoying an experience unlike any other. MSI is dedicated to creating systems for gamers that are profound and that are super unique and powerful enough to support most of your gaming needs. And that's something that they've definitely put into consideration here in this collaboration. The combination of a powerful GPU and the high refresh OLED display makes your gaming run as smoothly and luxuriously as possible. And guess what? There's an option also for gamers to get the exclusive premium bundle pack, which is why I didn't unbox the box fully. There's a lot of boxes in that sentence, but let's go back to it and see what's inside. Okay. Gotta remove some of these things. The first thing we're gonna see right off the bat is the mouse pad, and it's beautiful in design. You have the dragon emblem right here. You have MSI and the official partner, Mercedes-AMG Motorsport. This is something that you're gonna enjoy using for sure. Let's go further. I believe this is where you also get a bunch of postcards. They're probably in here. We can open this up. Nothing says a collaboration without some postcards. Okay. I like these. I like it. Okay, this is what I was really looking forward to seeing. The collaboration mouse. Oh, this is super nice. I feel like this is turning into an ASMR video. You guys hear that? I love how that they literally have the collaboration everywhere on every item. So even the Velcro attachments have both of the logos of the brands on there. That's a super nice touch. That's attention to detail. This is super cool. Definitely something that you want. Oh, there's also a dual drive. This is a 128 gigabyte dual drive. And I remember seeing this on the internet being like, I can't wait to get my hands on this. Another ASMR moment, ladies and gents. Ready? You guys hear that? But super cool. It goes from USB to USB-C. So you have both options there. What else do we have here? Okay, we have a pouch. This is super nice. So you probably put those contents in here. This is great for, you know, keeping all your wires, your hard drives, the charging cables. I'm always walking and traveling around with so much stuff, so things like this come super handy. And of course, they're even nicer when you have logos and branding there. And then of course you have the power cables. Again with these Velcro, oh, this is a very nice touch. I'm loving this. You have both brandings right there, both logos. And ladies and gents, that is the exclusive premium bundle. You get all these accessories and all these different things with the laptop itself. I think this is an amazing deal. Also, the box itself is probably what I'm most excited about as well. So to wrap things up, the MSI Mercedes-AMG collaboration laptop is modernized, luxurious, and it brings together the best of MSI's gaming expertise and Mercedes-AMG stylish design sensibilities. It's powerful, it's stylish, it's sleek, and it's going to make the working and gaming experience for you much more enjoyable. So you're probably wondering, who is this type of laptop for? Well, I think it's a perfectly suited laptop for me, someone who has a high workload, a professional in the industry. I work with various different brands and I travel constantly, so I need a reliable computer. I need a laptop that's able to withstand the type of computing that I do, and that's able to process the type of content I work with. We're talking about 4K content, we're talking about lots of imagery, using very demanding software, and the laptop itself has to be able to perform. And that is something that I truly believe it's able to. And the reason why is because of this incredible collaboration. I've worked with Mercedes for many, many years, and I've been able to see their expertise and innovation in their content and their creations in terms of their vehicles and everything else that they come up with. So this is nothing short of extraordinary for me. I'm super happy about this collaboration. I think it is super unique. And as you guys can see from all the products, they've really put a lot of attention to detail, and that's something that you should definitely take into consideration when you're making your next purchase. And if you guys do have any questions about the laptop, feel free to ask me anything down below. I'll also leave all the details so you can go to the official launch website and maybe other links so that you can see all the information that you need to about this laptop and this partnership. I'm also going to leave the links to where you can purchase the laptop. There are limited, I think, quantities of the exclusive premium bundle pack, so just be sure to be thoughtful of that if you're deciding to go with that option. As always, I hope you guys enjoyed this product review. If you have any questions, like I said, leave them down below. If not, I will see you guys very soon. Peace.